Hey, welcome back to Indy Now, friends. In a rising rate environment, consumers need to understand what's contained within their credit file and how this info may impact them.
Yes, Carl Britton is the VP of Lending with Financial Center First Credit Union, one of the Pack the Pantry's official sponsors that we have going on today. So we thank you for that. We thank you for just being a sponsor of our show, and welcome.
Thank you. Glad to be here.
Yeah.
I'm glad to be a great partner with Pack the Pantries.
Well, it's great when we have an expert like you on, because so many people, you know, they know their credit score needs to be at a certain point, but they might not always know what they can do to make it better. So we're going to talk to you about that. So first of all, what is a credit score for anyone who may not know, and how is it determined?
Sure, great. Yeah, so a credit score is essentially a risk score, right? So it tells a creditor how likely you are to pay your bills on time, right, and pay back a loan. So there's a lot of different factors that go into a credit score. Probably the most important one is, you know, how well you pay your bills, right? So you want to make sure that you're paying your bills on time. Another large factor on a credit score as well is what's called credit utilization.
Okay.
So this is how much of your revolving accounts, your credit cards, for example, what kind of balances do you carry on those relative to your credit line. Another factor that goes into your score as well is what's called a credit mix. So what consumers need to understand, or what they want to try to do, is maintain a mix of both installment loans, such as your auto loan, your mortgage, in addition to credit cards, revolving accounts. Okay. I think it's important for consumers to understand as well that credit scores go well beyond the interest rates that you're charged on a loan. And if you qualify for a loan, they might impact many aspects of your life, including whether or not you can rent an apartment, whether or not you can get a cell phone or turn on utilities, and even so far as to whether or not you might even gain employment.
Okay, wow, so it can have wide-ranging ramifications here. Carl, maybe if our credit score isn't where we want it to be, are there ways that we can raise those scores?
Yeah, great question, right? So there's a lot of things that you can do to improve your credit score. Probably the most important, as I mentioned earlier, is maintain your payment history.
Right.
If you're falling behind on a bill, or if you're late on a payment, reach out to your creditor. Right, they will make arrangements with you to get you back on track. Credit utilization, so on your credit cards or any revolving debt, try to keep your balances below about 30% of all of the credit that is available to you.
Okay.
Maintain that credit mix, as I mentioned earlier. So one of the things that financial institutions want to understand is that you can be financially responsible with both your installment loans, again, your mortgage, your auto loans, but then also your revolving accounts as well.
Okay.
So,
I know with my credit card, I'm seeing my credit score all the time. It lets me know, but some people don't always know where to find their credit score. So what do you tell them?
Yeah, great. So probably one of the best things that people can do is go to annualcreditreport.com.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is a free service that's available to all consumers. So once a year, you can obtain a copy of your credit report from all three major credit reporting agencies, TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. And you want to take a look at that credit report, right, and read it and understand it. Look for discrepancies, look for any errors, look for accounts that maybe you don't think that you might have opened. That could be an indication, an indication of fraud.
Carl, there's some great information, and if people want to find more information from Financial Center First Credit Union, where can they go?
Yeah, so come to fcfcu.com. You can find a lot of information not only about the credit union, but the free educational webinars that we provide as well, because teaching financial literacy is very, very important to us.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you for providing those resources. I know a lot of people just want to learn more, so it's nice to have a place to go to.
Yeah. Carl, thanks for being on the show today.
Thanks for
We
having me.
appreciate
My
it.
pleasure.
You.
Thank you.
Great
Thank you.
information there.